All right, chef, are you ready for some masa making?
Yeah.
Do you know what masa is? Masa harina is plain corn flour that was treated with an alkaline solution to change a little bit of the molecular structure, like kind of chemistry here. But so it makes a dough that is more flexible, more pliable. But it's still just straight up plain corn. Today we're using a cup of masa harina and then 3/4 cups of warm water and a tablespoon of olive oil. Beautiful. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. Yum. There we go. Beautiful. So at first, we're gonna use a fork to mix because it's very, very sticky. Once most of the liquid has incorporated into the masa, into the flour, we can get our hands in there.
It smells like tortilla chips.
It smells like tortilla chips because it is tortilla before we make the chips. This dough is gonna have to rest for a little bit, and while it's resting, it incorporates more of the water. So if at first it feels a little sticky, it's okay because it will dry up, or like the water is gonna be incorporated with the flour. That's why we mix it a little bit. Chef, I'm looking at you. You look so curious about getting your fingers in there. Would you like to get in there? Yeah. All right, so get in there and give it a nice little mix for us, please. All right, chef. Are you? Ooh, so sticky. Yay! So, chef, we're gonna have to wash our hands, but before we do, did you wanna have a little taste of this masa?
Yeah.
Tastes like corn, right?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back.